This is Big Mama. You know the black chick of the movie?
What? I can't understand a word you're saying, mate.
It's Big Mama. You know, the big black chick of the movie.
I can't really talk. I'm kind of on the way on. Who is this?
It's Big Mama. This It's Big Mama. Do you have to spell it out for you? How big can you be? I think she did figure out who it was. He's like, oh, hey, Izzy. So I hang up. Hey, let me do this. Who's that? You're friends with her on Facebook. I don't know. I don't think. Bring it. What are you speaking? Do you like my Big Mama voice, or do you need to go deeper and go, this is Big... Wait, it's still recording. Hi.
This is
I know who to ring. I'll ring my ex.
Tyson. Last name.
0206.
What's his last name?
Barrett. He's from Newcastle.